Hi everyone. I am going to show you today how to schedule a virtual appointment as part of our financial aid services here at West Hills College Lemoore. Now that we've gone virtual, you can still get a hold of us. I know we are no longer on campus, but we are always available for you virtually as well through email and through phone. So this is how you can find us. Of course, you will need to go to westhillscollege.com. This is the Lemoore West Hills College website here. Okay, so we will start here. You will go to Lemoore Virtual Services here, resources. We are going to go ahead and scroll down. On here, you'll see many other departments that have some virtual services available too. You'll find everyone's phone number, so it's a good resource to have. But here, you can go ahead and go down to financial aid. This is our tab here. You'll see our email here in case you ever need to email us. You can get it here. Our phone number is also displayed here if you ever need us. You can go straight to our website, to our web page here. To schedule an appointment, you just click on schedule appointment. On here, depending what question you have, that's where you will go ahead and get started. So if you just need questions, maybe filling out your Dream Act application, you need step-by-step instructions of how to do it. We offer a series of workshops that we'll be having every semester. So here, if you click on here on the Cash for College workshops, you'll get to see different dates that we'll have a workshop. So here it looks like this month we'll be having one on the 28th. Okay, an hour and 30 minutes long. This is an opportunity for you to get to show us what you have. We get to show you how to fill out an application step by step, any questions that you might have. So here you would go ahead and see when it's available. It looks like it's at 3 o'clock. If you're able to make it, you can always click on it and confirm and then fill in your information. All right, so if that doesn't work out for you, you can always keep on clicking through the months. Okay, we'll have different workshop dates on there. If not, if there's just a question you need, you can always go here to our financial aid tab, virtual services. We have different boxes here depending on your question. If you have a question regarding Cal Grants, you will go here. And scholarships, if you have a question regarding some student loans, or maybe some money that you owe, you can click here, any foster youth questions as well. If you have any questions on work study, you can go ahead and click here, work study or president scholars. Those questions can be asked here. If you are an undocumented student and just, have a question on the DREAM Act or a question on certain resources for undocumented students, um, you can go ahead and click on here. If you are a high school student and are planning to come to college and need a little bit more help with your financial aid, we also have a specialist for you. You can go ahead and make an appointment with them here. If it's just a general question that you have and you're like, you know what, I don't know what category it belongs to, you can just go to general questions here and you can click here. It will tell you the times available that we have for general questions. You can go ahead and go through the list depending on the day that works for you. Say I want one on the 11th, and say maybe a 1 o'clock works for me. Let's go ahead and confirm this. And we are going to go ahead and let's see. We're going to go ahead and put our information in there. So whatever it is, your information, you are going to go ahead and book an appointment. Say we are John Smith. We're going to put there John Smith at whccd.edu. I forgot the my. All right. You're going to scroll down. If you like to go ahead and have someone else come with you to the appointment, you can add them there, okay? If not, it's okay. You could just leave it like this. Please list the phone number in case we can't get a hold of you. We have somewhere to call. In case we have any connection problems or whatever it is. Please list the phone number on there. Okay. Student ID, if you know it, please list it. Okay, if you don't know it, please list at least your date of birth. So I am gonna go ahead and list the date of birth here. Let's put, I'm just using an example here. Okay, maybe I have a question on my FAFSA. Award question. Maybe I want to know something. I want someone to explain my award letter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and schedule the event here, and there it gives me the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and schedule the appointment. Of course, mine, I'm using an example, so it won't let me, but yours, it should let you go ahead and fill it in with no problem. So once you go ahead and press schedule event, this will go ahead and give you an email with the Zoom invite, reminding you the time and the date. Make sure you put this date on on your calendar. That way you make sure you're in front of your computer. On that date, you're gonna want to go to your email, open that Zoom link that was sent to you. You're gonna press it, and it should connect you to our representative virtually. You should be able to see them on your screen. And you should be able, say you wanted to show them, you're able to go ahead and show them your application or whatever you want to show them. If there's a document you want to show them, you can also share your screen. Or our rep can go ahead and share their screen, and they can show you step by step. Say if they're giving you instructions on how to fill out the FAFSA, they can go ahead and share their screen and show you anything that they're seeing on their end to better explain it. So it really helps, especially if you're having trouble understanding something. It really helps for a virtual appointment, so I really recommend it. I hope this video helps you all, and if you have any questions, any other questions, you could always call our financial aid office. We are here for you. And if you are having problems as well making this virtual appointment, you could also call our office, and we can go ahead and help you, or at least walk you through this process. All right. Thank you for viewing this video. You guys have a great day.